I have Xiaomi 12, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on this device. So firstly you have to open camera and then go tap here, go to its settings, then go to the smart suggestions and enable scan QR codes. And now let's scan, for example, this QR code. And as you can see, as soon as it appears, we have this icon here. By tapping on this icon, we can go to this page, which is being encoded to this QR code. Just like this. Go to website, and here it is. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.